More breaking news coming in on the broadcast, viewers. CBI has now raided Anil Ambani's major addresses and offices, and this is with regard to the bank fraud case of 2,000 crore rupees. These are on the raids have taken place at properties linked to Reliance Communications and Anil Ambani. These are regarding the SBI fraud case, where CBI has now undertaken a raid at several locations related to Reliance Communications and Anil Ambani. Now remember, viewers, there are two sets of probes, two sets of investigations that are parallel in nature that are currently on. One is the Enforcement Directorate that is undertaking its set of investigations which are money laundering in nature. They are only probing primarily about whether money was laundered or not. Here, CBI, when it undertakes an investigation, the primary objective is to find out, identify the criminality that is associated with any transaction. It may or may not be money laundering in nature. It is criminality that they need to establish. So those are two parallel sets of investigations currently underway, and troubles mounting for Anil Ambani and his companies. Let's quickly now get in Anushka for an update as to where all these investigations and these raids are currently taking place and how long that entire exercise is likely to pan out. Go ahead, Anushka, fill us in.
That's right, Gauri. The CBI on Saturday has raided premises to Reliance Communications and its promoter director Anil Ambani in connection with an alleged bank fraud that caused a loss of over rupees 2,000 crore to the SBI. Now, the searches are conducted at 6 places in Mumbai. The SBI had classified RCOM and Mr. Ambani as fraud accounts on June 13 in accordance with the Reserve Bank of India's master directions on fraud risk management and the bank's broad approved policy on classification, reporting and management of fraud. Now, SBI, in the letter sent to RCOM, said it found deviation in the utilization of loans involving a complex web of fund movements across multiple group entities. Now, Minister of State for Finance Pankaj Chaudhary also told the Lok Sabha last month that the credit exposure of SBI and RCOM includes fund-based principal outstanding amount of rupees 2,227.64 crore along with the accrued interest and expenses with effect from August 26, 2016 and the non-fund-based bank guarantee of rupees 786.52 crore. Now, as per RBI guidelines, after the bank classifies an account as fraud, the lender should then report it to the RBI within 21 days of detection, and as per report, the case to the CBI or police. Now, the searches were conducted weeks after the ED questioned the 66-year-old businessman in a money laundering case linked to alleged multiple bank loan fraud cases worth crores of rupees against his group companies. A preliminary investigation revealed that rupees 3,000 crore in loans from Yes Bank that was dispersed between 2017 and 2019 were wrongfully diverted. A similar fraud over rupees 14,000 crore was also allegedly committed by Reliance Communications too, and the agency has alleged an illegal quid pro quo arrangement wherein Yes Bank promoters allegedly received payments and privately held concerns just before sanctioning loans. Over to you.
All right, Anushka, we leave it there. Anushka filling us in as to why exactly CBI felt that there's a case for further investigation. Remember, there are a bunch of bank loans that have defaulted, and in each of those cases, parallel investigations are underway, some through ED, and here it is through CBI. It is the SBI loan that is being investigated, and Anushka filling us in as to where that investigation is currently underway.